Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching this song tutorial video. In the first part, I'm going to count out the song's chords so you'll know exactly how long to play each one. In the second part, I'm going to play through the entire song so you can practice along with me. So stick around to the end, and if you find this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, etc. Before we begin, you should click on that link at the top of the description and that'll take you to a chord chart containing all the chords and lyrics of the song you're about to practice. I recommend printing it out right now and grabbing a pencil so you can write in the number of beats per chord as I call them out to you. If you see a chord you don't recognize, and just click on link number 2 in the video's description and that'll take you to a list of chord tutorial videos. Finally, if you want to learn more songs once this video is over, click on link number 3 and that'll take you to a spreadsheet containing all of my chord charts and song tutorial videos. Now let's get started. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Missionary Anthem. We'll count through the chords and then play through the entire song, but before we do that, if you haven't already, click on link number 1 in this video's description because that will give you a chord chart that you'll need to follow along with this tutorial. I'll start with a chorus, and note that as I count the chords, this song is in 6/8, so I'm going to count every 3 beats as 1. So instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I'll count 1, 2. And by that counting method, every chord in the chorus is going to be 2 beats. So I'll count us in and demonstrate that just doing 1 strum per beat. 1, 2, 3. Jesus, you're worthy of every tribe and tongue. It's all for your glory, till every soul is one. Now we'll do the verse, and the verse is also 2 beats per chord. So here's how the verse sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. For the Lamb has conquered, I will follow him to the ends of the earth. I will follow him. The next part to go over is the bridge, which is also 2 beats per chord. So here's how the bridge sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. The harvest is ready, we have to go. We won't stop till the whole world knows the power in your blood to save every soul. We're not ashamed of the gospel. The only part to go over now is the tag, and the tag is, you guessed it, 2 beats per chord. Let's go ahead and play through the tag. 1, 2, 3, 4. I will preach the gospel, die and be forgotten as long as you get the glory. I will preach the gospel, die and be forgotten as long as you get the glory. Now that we've gone through every part of the song, it's time to practice through it. So I'm going to play through every part in order, and you get to play along with me. And again, if you have that chord chart opened up, which is link 1 in the video's description, you can follow along and play exactly the same chords that I am playing. If you think you're going to have trouble keeping up with my tempo, not a problem. Just go into the playback settings menu of this video and change the speed to 0.75x, which will make me sound really weird, but it'll make it a lot easier for you to keep up. So if you need to do that, go ahead, and then you can adjust it to normal speed later once you've gotten good at 0.75x speed. All right, so I'll count us in, and we're going to begin with the verse chords and then go into the verse. 1, 2, 3, verse chords. Repeat. Twice through the verse. For the Lamb has conquered, I will follow him to the ends of the earth. I will follow him. Second time. For the Lamb has conquered, I will follow him to the ends of the earth. I will follow him. Chorus twice. Jesus, you're worthy of every tribe and tongue. It's all for your glory, till every soul is one. Jesus, you're worthy of every tribe and tongue. It's all for your glory, till every soul is one. Twice through the bridge. The harvest is ready, we have to go. We won't stop till the whole world knows the power in your blood to save every soul. We're not ashamed of the gospel. Second time. The harvest is ready, we have to go. We won't stop till the whole world knows the power in your blood to save every soul. We're not ashamed of the gospel. Tag. I will preach the gospel, die and be forgotten, as long as you get the glory. I will preach the gospel, die and be forgotten, as long as you get the glory. Repeat. I will preach the gospel, die and be forgotten, as long as you get the glory. And with this next one. I will preach the gospel, die and be forgotten, as long as you get the glory. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to click on link number 3 and check out my other chord charts and song tutorials. If you want to help me make more videos, you can support me on Patreon using the link below. God bless, and I look forward to seeing you next time.